देखिए, देश के भविष्य का निर्माण हमारे बच्चों की पढ़ाई से ही होगा। उस पढ़ाई को इंटरेस्टिंग और रिवॉर्डिंग बनाने का काम किया है स्टेप ऐप ने। ये स्टेप ऐप, प्रवीण त्यागी जी जो हमारे साथ इस समय हैं, और इनकी 400 IITians की जो टीम है, मेरी तरफ से उन सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं।
बच्चे की मैथ्स और साइंस अगर हमने स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दी तो जितने भी फ्यूचर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स हैं या बच्चे की जो एनालिटिकल स्किल्स हैं, जो उसकी सोचने की, समझने की, एनालाइज करने की क्षमता है, वो बहुत इंप्रूव होती है। और
Education is a prerequisite for personal and professional growth, especially in a developing nation like India. Competition is rising and every parent wants to give their child the best in-class education regardless of their social or economic status. Step App was envisioned with these principles in mind. खेलो, सीखो, अपना कल खुद बनाओ। Step App is developed by Pace Educational Trust, who have sent scores of students to various IITs and medical colleges for 20 years. Step App was tested across the country in elite, mid-level and government schools. We got an amazing response from these students.
पहले में बच्चों को थोड़ी दिक्कत आती थी गेम ऑपरेट करने में। अभी 3 महीने हो चुके हैं तो बच्चे बहुत अच्छे तरीके से टैब अभी हैंडल कर रहे हैं और पहले के मुकाबले में बच्चों का रिस्पांस अभी बहुत अच्छा है।
हेलो बच्चों। हेलो सर। कैसे लग रहा है एड्यूस्फन का गेम? बहुत अच्छा सर। गेम खेल के कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो रहे हैं? यस सर। ऐप में जो क्वेश्चन है उनके आंसर कर पाओगे आप लोग? यस सर। और खेलना है? Yes, sir.
Our students specifically feel that science and maths are the two subjects that they have phobia with. But after using this EduSwan applications, they really feel very easy these subjects and they can see the content very clearly, very precisely.
Maharashtra always has taken the lead in terms of implementing new initiatives and reforms in various sectors, and in fact they have started the application of this app in their learnings across the schools. The response has been really very encouraging from Maharashtra, and in fact I was seeing that many of these students from Maharashtra EMRS, they have been now selected in the National Talent Search Examination, and also they are performing very well in different schools.
I'm very happy that in the lockdown time, we are at least having an access to a wonderful app called the Step App. Children are feeling it very interesting and they're actively participating in it. Especially for maths and science, this is a very wonderful app. It's like through games, they're able to learn so many new concepts. And the response from my students is also very, very positive.
App has more facilities, online learning for the students particularly with 3D animation. Children can learn and relearn the concept till they understand. This app has the facility of assessment through quiz also. My students and staff are very happy with this app and they have learned the concept very well. Their performance has been enhanced, particularly in science and mathematics.
The STEP App program helps to bridge up the gap in the teaching-learning process in the current pandemic situation, wherein the students cannot attend regular classes and are having a load of doubts. The STEP App program enables the students to learn science and maths in a more enjoyable way.
I'm dreaming of the day when all the kids which have just started doing gamified learning from EduSFun few months ago in our schools are called here to be felicitated 2 years down the line because they have broken the glass ceiling and actually entered into IITs and NEET examination. Thank you.
Our product is simple and easy to download on the most basic smartphones and priced nominally so that it is accessible to all. Our next step is expanding Step Up wings across India and the world. Success stories will be created. Young India will get better education than their previous generations. That is the promise of STEP App.
Sitting anywhere across the country, once he proves his mettle, once he proves his merit, that child is taken care of and converted into a national asset. With this vision, with this philosophy of providing the best quality education to the remotest child at the most affordable price in a fun way and make him earn money, scholarships which he can use for his own further education was a very big dream, and I must say 400 ITians and doctors who worked with me for last 5-6 years on this content creation, all of us have created a solution, a new age solution for this country in the form of STEP App.
Based on the feedback from the students and children, I can understand that this app is brilliantly manufactured.
I'm just thankful to the STEP App team for such a wonderful app.
So we are really very happy with this app. Thank you, Team STEP App. All right.
I would like to thank the whole team of STEP App for giving us opportunity to use this app. Thank you.
STEP App is an effective and easy learning app.
I would like to thank the STEP App team for the help and support.
ये जो ऐप मुझे लगा वो इट्स लाइक अ स्ट्रेस बस्टर क्योंकि बच्चे फन लविंग वे में इसको खेल सकते हैं.
So STEP App is teaching the children the concepts as well as just getting slight tests of the children as well. So it is a good app.
This app is going to change the name of education into EduNation.
They are making this teaching and learning method easy and accessible to the student. May God bless them in their venture. We are always with them, and I believe that they'll get a lot of success in future. Thank you so much, and really education is fun with Edu is fun. Thank you.
बच्चों को गेम्स के थ्रू पढ़ाना एक बहुत ही इनोवेटिव स्टेप है, तो मेरी शुभकामनाएं. वेल डन स्टेप ऐप, एंड थैंक यू सो मच प्रवीण जी फॉर दिस वंडरफुल एंडेवर. थैंक यू. नमस्कार.